catch. Yes, he's got him. We talked about a big player Akmal is, and he's hit it to point. A bit of a loose drive outside. Oh, he's had a go and he's thrashed it through the offside. Not too much foot movement there, but that bat speed was pretty impressive. He's had a go. It's going to get over mid-off, so he's got enough bat to get it over. Is it going to go for 4? Yes, it is. So boundary for our son. Oh, he's whipped it fine. That's 4 more. Finaling's up in the ring. Another boundary. So Lions just fighting their way back in. Oh, there we go. Stand and deliver. That is it. I'll tell you what, he's having a go here, and that's running away for another boundary. The Lions are fighting back here.
And that's the first delivery Abdullah has faced off.
Oh, he's knocked him over. The furniture's all over the place. Off stump. And there he goes, little celebration. Boundary off the... He's had a go. Oh, inches away from the diving extra cover fielder. Yep, and it's a boundary to get him underway. So Raz's off the mark with a 4.
And he heaves it down the leg side. That's going to be big. Really just helped it on its way. Not a great start by Imran there. It's sort of...
Out. That ball was wide outside the off stump. Full, yes, available to be hit, but he wasn't in.
Catch it.
Slightly short in the air and just sails over. That's a maximum. So the margin of error is very, very slim here.
That's in the air again and cleared everything. That's to get the measure of the pitch, case the bowling and then go after the bowler. That's nicely worked away on into the gap for 4 runs. He's looking well. Oh, that was a gift. High full toss, and Hassan Ali making sure that he's not going to... Well, Saif is not going to miss out on that long hop. Oh, here's an opportunity. Here's an opportunity. Shan Masood is under it. He's taken it quite well. That's a big breakthrough. 1-6. That's in the air. Should cross the boundary on that occasion. That's a 6.
Fractionally.
All the hard work.
Big shot, and that's cleared the boundary at long on. That's the kind of damage he can do to the opposition. We've over an hour. And just in the 13th over, that's played well. That's such a good shot. He's found the gap between backfoot point and gully.
And this is...
He's played it wide of that fielder at long off, and he doesn't cut it off. That was hit hard and nicely placed by us. So a full toss and driven away. Boundaries just now start flowing when he's batting. It just makes it look so easy. Asif Ali and Saif Badr. Wow, what a shot. That's a tough shot to play. Over extra cover for a 6. That's well kept. Oh, that's a catch. He's been given out.
An excellent execution by Asif Ali. The touch. He knew.
Still have a chance to breach 200 runs. There you go. In the air. Fielder getting underneath it. And it was...
Oh, he's got him. He's got just reward for his brilliant bowling. The Yorkers. And he's nailed another one. And he's got his man. We talked about them. Full toss, and you'd like to have done a bit more with that, but they're coming back for 2. This could be close. Going to the keeper's end.
One, I think. One bail was there.
It's out. Got him.